What's his name?
I don't know. Scotty, Scott dog.
Scotty the Scottish dog. Hello, is that Scotty the Scottish dog?
Yes.
How do you say it?
It's squishy. On the squash.
What's his name?
Squash it.
What's his name, Aloha?
I don't know. It's sitting.
Is it
It's
Scotty?
sitting.
Aloha, is this Scotty?
Yes.
Can you say it?
Scotty.
Scotty the Scottish dog?
Yes. It's got long tail.
He's got a little tail.
Yes. Go get some drink water.
Ah. Hello, Logan. Ah!
Mine. It's drinking.
What's his name, Aloha?
It's eating food.
What's his name?
I don't know.
Can you say Scotty the Scottish dog?
Sky got food.
Yeah. Not the Scotch dog, it's the Scottish dog.
Scottish dog.
That's right.
Say that's better.
That's better. Do you like videos of yourself?
Yes.
Oh, really? It's pretty vain.
No.
Not vain?
Yes.
Yes, vain. That's okay.
On the block. On the yellow one.
It's almost Christmas, huh, Aloha? You like Christmas?
Christmas tree.
Do you think you're gonna get any presents?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you picking your nose?
No.
Okay, don't pick your nose. Don't pick your boogers. Do you pick your boogers?
What?
Yeah.
It's eating. It's eating. It's eating food.
Mm-hmm.
It's eating the table.
Yeah.
It's naughty.
Are you picking your nose again?
No.
You sure? Looks like it.
On the other box. On this one. Not this one.
You want the
No.
blocks? Is that what you want?
No.
I think you're going to the store. You're gonna go to the store with Mommy.
On that one.
Yeah? Maybe later, okay? Alright, bye-bye. Say bye.